Hello, how y'all are? Here's Johnny. I'm also known as the Cajun Roots Cuisine. This is how y'all are? Here's Johnny. I'm also known as the Cajun Roots Cuisine. And this is my intro to let you know about my new channel that I just launched. In this videos and in all videos that I'll do on this channel, I will be doing some tricks and tips on how I had learned how to cook down in the bayous of Louisiana from my grandmother. And I will be basically doing some of the cooking that we did growing up. And I'll show you some tricks and tips on what I do and how I learn and modifications when you want to change something on any recipe that I might show you. And if you're interested in any specific recipe you would like to see, do me a favor, give me some comments. Let me know what you think. And if you try this recipe, let me know how it turned out for you, or any of the recipes that I do on this channel. And I plan on doing regular videos on a regular basis. And so I hope you enjoy coming on the journey with me in my kitchen. And I will then start doing my videos and tell you a little bit more about each recipe. And most importantly, you want to make sure you enjoy cooking. So I'll be even showing you some very easy recipes and some that are a little difficult, but I'll be doing it step by step. So I'll show you how to do everything and things you may be able to just take things out and things like that. And I'll talk about that in all the videos. Please do me a favor, it's free. Right below the video, that word subscribe, please make sure you're subscribed. And then also right next to it, hit the notification so you don't miss out when I come out with another video. But most importantly, hit me that thumbs up. All that helps the channel. And so also, please leave me those comments below because it does help. And I'll be glad to answer those back for you. And if you have any special recipe you would like to see from Cajun land of Louisiana or the South, just let me know. And I'll be glad to try to find the recipe if I don't know what to do. And I'll be glad to make that a video. So thank you very much. And I hope you enjoy this channel. I hope you enjoy the videos that I put out for you. But most importantly, thank you very much for giving me the time for you to be able to check out my videos. Till next time, good cooking, good eating, and bon appetit.